In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize the sale badge on the product page in Shopify for desktop or mobile. We'll walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to adjust the size and spacing of your sale badge using a little bit of custom CSS without changing your entire theme. First, log into your Shopify admin. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and your online store. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. Under that, select Themes. This is where all your published and draft themes live. Find the theme you're currently using on your store. Next to that active theme, click on the option to edit the theme. This will open the online store editor where you can visually customize how your site looks. At the top of the editor, you'll see a navigation area that lets you choose which page template you're working on. Click on that, then from the drop-down, select Products, and then choose Default Product. This will load your standard product page layout in the preview on the right. On the left-hand panel, look for the section called Product Information and click it to edit. This is the block that controls the details on your product page, including the sale badge. Now scroll down within that left panel until you see an option called Custom CSS. Click on that to expand it, and you'll see a text box where you can add your own CSS code. Here, paste the exact code that I'm using in the video. You can pause the video at this point so you can clearly see and copy the code into that custom CSS box. Once the code is in, you'll notice there are numbers after properties like font size, line height, and padding. These numbers are what control how big the sale badge text is, how much vertical spacing it has, and how much space surrounds it. Increase these numbers to make the badge bigger, taller, or more padded, and decrease them to make it more compact. Make small adjustments and then look at the live preview on the right side of the screen to see how each change affects the sale badge on both desktop and, if you switch the preview mode, on mobile as well. Take a moment to tweak the values until the badge looks exactly how you want it. Readable, well-spaced, and visually balanced with the rest of your product information. Once you're happy with how it looks, don't forget the final step. Click Save in the top right corner of the editor to apply your changes to your live store.